So once again, I need to appreciate the Riverflow International for making science the best subject and the easiest subject practically. You do things practically. So in P5, there is a topic that is called the digestive system, and it has been a challenge in such a way that children find it hard. You talk of the stomach, they don't see the stomach. You talk of the small intestines, they don't see them. But with the Riverflow International, it has helped us. If you talk of the small intestines, you show children and they are able to see. So let me take you through the digestive system. So here is the digestive system. So now it has made my teaching so easy in primary 5 in such a way that if I ask a child, if I tell them that this is what called a liver, a child is able to see and try to position it in his or her body. If I tell them this is the stomach, the child is able to know that this is what called the stomach. I show them this is the small intestines, this is the large intestines or the colon. So really, science has become so easy and so practical with the Riverflow International Science Kit. Thank you so much.